abundant benevolent blessings to all of you blessed and beautiful souls out there today. Kiara and Cass here with the All Things Health and Well Show. And I guess we are 2 days away from Xmas at this point. And we have some big news in this video today. So very, very interesting. Thank you for being here with us. Please remember to come and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that we can get us on and on and on and on the next one. Always keeping you up to date with all the beautiful crypto information and everything relating to how you can build your wealth and your health. So thank you very much for that. Really do appreciate it. So I said in this video here, and I brought it up even more in this, and now I've officially confirmed it, but I'm not going to bring anything else up, that the Binance FUD is not real, and that Binance is good. And Crypto Quant on the 16th of December did an audit of Binance, and they're not in debt, they don't owe anybody money, and they're pretty much good to go. Well, they are good to go, so not pretty much. Okay, so let's get straight onto the noise in the air, because we know that it's just happening just like this over there. The biggest fraudster of this entire history on this earth has officially been released on bail. So that sends a message from the government to say that I'm here to scratch your back if you scratch my back scenario. And this guy, SPF, just got out on a $250 million bail. So the most expensive bail ever. But he's officially got away with all of this money. And I saw a really good tweet from Carl from the moon, that $10 billion gone, hidden, only has $100,000 available, according to the news article he spoke in on one of the channels. And then that leaves him with a plus the $250 million bail. This leaves him with a $9.75 billion profit. Now that's insane, guys. Come on, man. This guy's hiding his money. He's not hiding his money. He's hiding your money. Okay. So how are you gonna get your money back? Because that's the point here, is that you need to be able to get your money back. And right now at this point, it's just very difficult, because he's been let on bail, which means that he's gonna go and do something like this again. I have no doubt about it. He's a very smart individual. He knows what he knew what he was doing all along, and he knew that he would get a slap on the wrist with a big, with a big bill. So where does he get the $250 million from if his parents have refinanced their houses at $4 million? Okay, so how do you get all the other $246 million? Yes, you got some family and friends helping you, but I'm pretty sure that ain't gonna add up to $250 million. So where's the money coming from? Anyways, let's not carry on. Let's just show you the content here, because this shit is insane, guys. Look at this. Smiling, happy. Of course he's happy. He's been released out on jail, on bail. So now he's confided to his parents' place, and that's where he has to stay. And apparently the judge let him out on bail because he's got such an obvious face. Wow. Sorry, buddy. Oops, wrong car.
Hey, what do you say to your investors who've lost so much? Okay, camera to head. Okay.
In this video,
bye-bye, Sam Bankman. Hello, Carl. Wow. So, my goodness, guys. It's just so sad to see that this continues to happen, that like you just get away with it all the time. But anyways, let's get on to some happy news, because BTC and the crypto market are looking a little bit better today. It's sitting at nearly 847 billion, 37.5 billion in trading volume, 38.3% in market cap dominance, 12,906 in the number of coins. So Bitcoin is up 0.1% for the day. Past 7 days, it's not that bad down, and nor is Ethereum. So we're up 0.3% on Ethereum. Today Bitcoin is 16,864, 1221 on Ethereum. BNB is sitting at 246, Ripple at 35 cents, Dogecoin at 7.8 cents, and pretty much looking like it's erased the week's losses. Cardano is heavily down with a 13% loss on the week, but only up 2.8% on the day to 26 cents. Polygon is at 80 cents. Oh boy, I better be scooping me some more of that. OKB 21.98. Polkadot is down heavy also at 452. And Shiba is at 833. Litecoin is 65.91. Solana at 11.93. Solana is down heavy, 14.8%. And I did commit to do a Solana video for you guys, so I will get that done. Uniswap 533, AVAX 1183, and Chainlink 603. All the threes, very, very nice. Anyways, guys, crypto fear and greed index for the day is sitting at 27, as it was. Just letting the page load. There you go. Yesterday was 28. Last week was 29. So it's gradually decreasing again, and the fear is getting a little bit more again. So that's interesting. I'd love to see what happens there. The crypto bubbles for today are telling us a few things. The first thing is there's a lot of red in the space still. A lot of red and a lot of green, of course. FTT is up apparently. Why? Because he was released on bail. Do people think that he's going to go back to FTT? No. Okay. So, anyways, lots and lots and lots of ups, lots and lots of downs. Of course, the ones that you invest in when they're down, you know you need to invest in when they're down, not up. So one thing I just wanted to say is the Twitter's crypto community is confused by SBF's 250 million bail in return to luxury. Very, very interesting. BTC or Core Scientific gets interim nod for 37.4 million bankruptcy loan. So because they tried to file for bankruptcy the other day, so obviously now they've secured themselves a little loan, which is absolutely wonderful. I love that. And then if you go and read this article, I'm not going to read it to you. Binance addresses 7 instances of recent FUD via Chinese Post blog. So let's go and look at the charts and let's go and see what's happening. Okay, as we can see, Bitcoin is officially working its way and is trying to break back up above the ribbon. So it's trying to back up above the ribbon. It's also trying to break up back above the 68 Fibonacci on the daily time frame. So we're at a little bit of a pinnacle point here on Bitcoin, I must say. Let's go and have a squiz at ETH and see what ETH's doing on the day quickly. So bounce, breakout, bounce, support, continuation of pattern. This candle here was a confirmation that we will be continuing to head back up. So now what does that mean? Well, here's a little bit of a resistance level back at the 1445 level. But essentially you would like to come and see Ethereum back up here. Okay, that would be pretty interesting. I would love it if that could happen, because I am in an Ethereum and a Bitcoin trade, and I have been for the past week or so. And the Ethereum trade is up, but the Bitcoin trade is down a little bit. So, because my average excuse me guys, the average entry price. The average entry price level, and if you can see the dollar, here's a little bit of a reversal candle at this current level, oversold, overbought, and pushing down a little bit. So like I said, boom, we need to come look at this line. This area here, this zone of support will tell us what and whether we are going up or down. So then the S&P has a wick candle, so it pulled up above there, so it might want to pull up a little bit and kind of retest this zone here, maybe another retest of the downward trending slope. And if it continues to knock on this door, it's eventually going to break out, guys. It's inevitable. It hasn't come anywhere near these lows here yet, okay, which means that it's knocking. Look how many times it's knocked on this door, okay. And you can really come down very low once, maybe twice. Okay, so if it comes back up here fourth time, S&P could break out and we could be seeing something very, very interesting on the S&P, which means that we could be in for a good ride on crypto also, and other risk-off assets like gold, silver, oil, gold and silver, which would be absolutely awesome. So Bitcoin, and the way that Bitcoin's functioning and moving of late, means that we are seeing a lot of FUD around SBF, around his family, around governments, senates, businesses, Mr. Wonderful turning into Mr. Weasel. I saw a funny article earlier, and just a whole bunch of stuff that's just been happening that really is capturing the crypto audience, and it's saying, well, Bitcoin isn't being affected negatively by this. And as you can see, Bitcoin is literally holding so stable and so strong here at the current moment. And look at the bounce that we're experiencing and the trend that looks like we want to break the trend here on the RSI. We've also we've broken out here, found support twice on the downslope and the upslope. Okay, we're still under the ribbon though, which makes me a little bit cautious. Okay, yesterday's candle was a bit red, but it continued to pull up. Excuse me guys, my throat is still very scratchy. So it pulled up here, and yeah, up to the 618 level, and let's see it get up to that level. And the turquoise line, like I said, is the line that it has to break through. So if it bounces from here to here, current price to about 19k, we might see a bit of a reversal down to the 6.8 level again, which will be about 18k, and then a further breakthrough of resistance to the upside there. That's looking very, very, very bullish at the moment. There doesn't seem to be much sentiment that could draw it down. However, as you can see, since the 10th of November, we have literally been trading sideways most of the time, other than 3 or 4 candles. So that's a long time. We've been a month and a half trading sideways. So very interesting, guys. I'm super keen. And I'll tell you what, I'm in a trade. My trade entry was, yeah, just above this level. So I'm just in the negative on my Bitcoin trade. But on my Ethereum trade, I'm in the positive. Because on my Ethereum trade, I got in at this candle breakout here. Boom. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification